SkyBridge Capital's Scaramucci warns crypto treasury craze will fade despite Saylor effect. Bitcoin strategy. Anthony Scaramucci questions the investment case for corporate crypto balance sheets, raising concerns about costs and sustainability as more firms mirror strategy's asset holding model. Author Hongji Feng. Author Hongji Feng. About author. Hongji is a crypto and tech reporter. He graduated from Northwestern University's Medill School of Journalism with a bachelor's and a master's. He has previously interned at HTX, Huobi Global, Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 21 hours ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. SkyBridge Capital's Anthony Scaramucci said the wave of companies adopting crypto treasury strategies will decline. He questioned investors' willingness to pay premiums for firms holding crypto assets. Companies like Bitmine and Metaplanet are emulating strategy's approach, often with prominent public figures attached. Anthony Scaramucci, founder and managing partner of SkyBridge Capital, said the trend of public companies adopting crypto treasury models will decline, according to a report published by Bloomberg. Right now we're having this replicative treasury company idea, Scaramucci said. So, it will fade. He questioned the logic of paying a premium for equity in firms that hold crypto when investors could buy the underlying assets themselves. Scaramucci warns of crypto treasury trend. Several companies have mirrored strategy's model of using corporate balance sheets to hold Bitcoin or other tokens. Bitmine Immersion Technologies recently announced a $250 million placement to support an Ethereum treasury and appointed Fundstrat founder Thomas Lee as board chair. Other firms have added high-profile advisors to boost visibility. Eric Trump sits on the board of Metaplanet, while Joe Lubin chairs SharpLink Gaming, which also shifted its focus to Ethereum holdings. Saylor's case is different because he's got a couple different products going now, Scaramucci said. While expressing long-term confidence in Bitcoin, he said investors should evaluate each firm's structure and cost profile. I'm not negative on the others because I'm too bullish on Bitcoin, but I would just say as an investor you have to look through the underlying costs associated with each one of these treasury companies, he said. According to the report, SkyBridge's ETF, which includes Strategy among its largest holdings, competes with other funds and crypto treasury firms for investor attention. Despite the broader trend, Strategy has outperformed most crypto ETFs this year. Investor doubts and regulatory questions. The funding model for Strategy's purchases has shifted over time from stock and debt issuance to preferred share sales. The concept has drawn criticism, including from short seller Jim Chanos, who called it financial gibberish. Scaramucci posed a practical question for investors. The question is, if you're giving somebody $10 and they're putting $8 into Bitcoin, are they going to do well? Yes. But you might have been better off just putting $10 into Bitcoin. I think that's an issue. Critics argue that firms structured around token holdings may blur the line between operating businesses and passive investment vehicles, complicating shareholder expectations and disclosures. The trend also intersects with emerging regulatory scrutiny. Oversight bodies may revisit listing rules, disclosure practices, and capital allocation policies. Any shift in enforcement or accounting treatment could reshape how corporate crypto strategies are designed or whether they remain viable. Frequently asked questions (FAQs). Why do investors pay premiums for treasury companies rather than buying crypto directly? Some investors prefer regulated equity exposure for accessibility or tax reasons. Others may rely on company governance or believe in additional business value. However, critics argue the added cost may not justify the indirect exposure. What accounting rules apply to crypto held on corporate balance sheets? Current U.S. GAAP treats crypto as indefinite-lived intangible assets. Companies must record impairment losses if prices fall but cannot mark up assets if values rise, potentially distorting reported financials. Are there tax implications for companies holding crypto? Corporate crypto gains are taxed under capital gains rules, and transaction-based holdings may trigger complex reporting requirements. Jurisdictional rules vary and can influence how strategies are structured. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Crypto analyst says Wall Street's full-scale entry is just beginning. $100 XRP next target. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. 95% ETF approval odds plus XRPL EVM launch. Could XRP hit $1,000? 1 day ago. By Simon Chandler. Altcoin news. American Express system upgrade prompts Ripple adoption speculation. XRP to win big? 2 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Press releases. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 1st, 2025. 2 days ago. By NSS Tavares. 12 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025 pre-sale crypto list. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 11 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. April 11, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.